Good morning everybody. I was really thinking about more planning videos, but today we have super nice weather. So let's make something more physical. So, the plan for today, we are going to cut down a few trees. Optimal plan for today is we have like 3 big oaks there and few small ones. I'm going to put down these small ones, and a really good friend of mine will be here today with me and help me with these big ones. So fingers crossed guys, fingers crossed. And look at that beautiful future wife. -5 on the slope and collecting little branches. Guys, the small ones on the slope are done, and I can tell you that the slope is the slope. And we say it here in Slovakia that cutting the trees will warm you 3 times. First time when you cut down the trees, second time when you prepare the firewood, and third time in a stove. And I can only approve it. So, as you know, we are also preparing this slope here, and the reason why is, for sure, the first reason is we are going to replace the really big trees by the small ones here, and I have this small dream of myself to plant here like a little orchard or winery, so fingers crossed. The reason why we are cutting down the trees is we are preparing the land for the earth movement a little bit, and preparing a plateau for a house. No worries, no worries. We have a permit from local village to put down these trees. Everything is as should be. And in the slope, which we are also preparing, we are going to plant replacement trees for this one. So for example, we are going to put like 3 big trees here, like oaks. So we are going to plant, I don't know, maybe 3-4 trees instead seeing 1 oak here. So we are going to plant multiple fruit trees instead of these ones. I was speaking with my really good friend, and for today we had a deal, and he's like a professional woodcutter. So he was like, okay, no problem at all, I will be there. And but I just saw him, he just shut down the deer, so we will see. And all unnecessary these little stuff we just burn down, and we will use the charcoal as a biochar. Yeah, maybe next spring. So we are going to really use almost everything what we have today. The reason why we have to put them down is we are going to prepare land for the next year to build a house here, and we are going to dig all this ground and prepare like a plateau here. Yeah, so the reason why I would love to really save this really nice flat ground for a garden, for planting potatoes, breeding chickens and all this kind of stuff. Time for a little snack. Oh yeah. Guys, plan for today failed. Look at this. My chainsaw stuck in here. So now I really have to wait. My father will be here like in 30 minutes from a city with another saw, and we need to figure this one. But look at her. She's smiling because today we are done.
Hi, my name is Jane.
Good morning everybody. Here we have the next day in paradise. So yesterday we were able to finish whole slope and almost first oak is done. As you know, yesterday my chainsaw stuck in one of the branches, so I was not able to finish this one. So this was the plan for yesterday, to finish at least this first big one. But yeah, the first goal for today, finish the branches and start with the next ones. And guys, this will be a madness. first is finished. Look at these nice, beautiful piece of land. And this one will be next. Welcome back. Everything's done, everything processed. So let's come with me and I will show you how it looks like. Welcome back. I'm super happy everything is done, everything is finished. It was awesome way how to spend the Christmas holiday. I'm really relaxed and we are one step further to our own house. In the next video I properly going to explain a little bit how to get an official house documentation with some tips and tricks. And guys, subscribe, leave a comment if you have an idea, like the video, and next time, bye.